Welcome to Cripple Fix It. This is my special exclusive Christmas edition here in my headquarters, and it's a bit of a special video because I was thinking, what could I give my sons for Christmas? No idea. I have 3 sons. Sam is the eldest, George is the middle one, and Fenton. Because Fenton's under 18 and can't give permission, I shall just wish him a happy Christmas. And because the other 2 haven't given their permission, but they're older than 18, I figured, what the hell. Anyway, I'd like to wish them all a happy Christmas and introduce you to them. This is Sam, sporting a in-betweeners hairdo, I would call it. It's a bit, it's something he had for years, and he thought it was the coolest thing ever. It's a bit like Statue of Liberty type of, I think is what he styled it on. Not sure how successful it was with the girls, but he thought it was good. And this is George, sporting a hairdo that I created. I can really only do one type of hairdo, which is mine. Scalping, basically. But it made his mother cry, so there was bonus there, wasn't there? Anyway, these 2 are grown up now. Got their own jobs, houses. I couldn't think what to get them for Christmas. But I think the surprise of their dad having a YouTube channel, what more could they want? And I think, what I did is I sent them a card, of which they've just opened, and then they've clicked on a QR link, which will take them straight to this video. And there's another QR link, which will take them to my channel, which they'll discover in a minute, once they've watched this. And hopefully someone will be videoing the surprise. And we shall see what happens. I expect to receive a text quite shortly after, because I can't imagine many people in their 20s receiving a card like this with a big surprise of knowing that their dad has a YouTube channel. Because I didn't tell anybody, other than my brother, obviously, because I did a video with him, and he didn't realise, but he then told his son, my nephew, who's considerably younger, he's 11 or 12, so he's subscribed. So all of my subscribers are not known to me. But it's still of an amount at the moment where I could probably thank them all individually. Probably even drive and thank them all individually, but they wouldn't want that, would they? Anyway, I thought I'd like to introduce you to them and see what the result is. It's going to be funny, I'm sure. So I shall say again, Happy Christmas and have a good New Year. Hopefully next year won't have much in the way of COVID, but it's not looking very likely, is it? Oh, I would also like to obviously say Happy Christmas to my new granddaughter, Adelaide, who's only 2 months old. Won't realise anything about this, so it doesn't matter, does it? At her age, she's not going to be mortified for years. And then she just may think it's cool. Well, my oldest sons may think it's cool as well. But I'm not suspecting that is going to be the reaction. I'm thinking more mortified. But we'll see. And I might put a bonus featured video up of their reactions to finding out. I'm sure there are worse things you can find out, aren't they? Like, you can't see your dad this Christmas because he's in prison. Will be one. Not good. So I'll say, cheerio. Have a good time, and hopefully I'll see you over the Christmas period. Cheerio.